I've been working, I've been building on my peace, clearing out the noise, yeah, my glow's unleashed. Every step intentional, every move divine. If it don't align, then it's wasting my time. I'm in my lane, no room for distractions, only keeping what adds to my satisfaction. I'm focused, I'm thriving, I'm on a new wave. 2025, it's the vibe I crave. Does it help me grow? Does it help me shine? Does it keep my energy moving in line? If it don't, then it's a no from me. I'm protecting my glow and my peace, you see. Grow, glow, flow, that's the vibe. If it don't match that, it don't get my time. Grow, glow, flow, baby, that's the code. 2025, yeah, I'm sticking to my mode. Roll on, flow, that's the vibe. If it don't match that, it don't get my time. Grow, glow, flow, baby, that's the code. 2025, yeah, I'm sticking